116 South Laurel Street. Caller states the house was shot at about 10 minutes ago. Caller, no description of the person who shot the shooter or the vehicle. There's a bullet hole located in the front of the house. Everyone's fine.
7-3 County. Myself and 162 have that information on the shots fired at that house on South Laurel.
10-4. The address that we were given is 116 South Laurel. Caller states their house was shot at about 10 minutes ago. No description of the vehicle or the person who did it. There is a bullet hole located in front of the house. Everyone's fine, no injuries or anything. 116 South Laurel.
10-4 County, we're en route.
Both units en route at 11:49.
173 County.
173.
County, just show me out in the area on South Poplar, in between Samuels and Dietrich Court, looking for a red motorcycle. Received information from a few parties as a vehicle headed up this way.
1217.
And that motorcycle you're looking for, is that a dirt bike? Yeah, 10-4, possibly between an 80 and 125cc, Hispanic male, supposedly red or red and white.
Right as you got that call, I was in the area of Broad and Diamond. I observed a dirt bike come across from the west front lot and went into a house on Diamond Avenue.
10-4.
I can show you the house if you need to meet up when you're clear there.
Yeah, 10-4. There's nothing showing up here. I'll head up that direction. I'll meet you there.
Maybe a DQ on Diamond on West Broad.
10-4. 173 to County. Be advised, I'm going to be here with an officer from West Hazleton. I don't have the number of the address, but it's going to be at Lincoln and West Diamond. 903 West Diamond. Try to make contact there.
10-4.
One 173 to 134. I don't know if you could have 162 come up here. We'll be standing by.
162 to 173. I'll be en route to that location.
133 to the county.
Nope. Go ahead.
Myself and 121 will be on scene on South Laurel.
1228. Units on Diamond Ave, status check.
164. We're 10-4. We'll be cleared from there.
That shows back up in the mobile. 1234.
162 County. I'll be clear from Laurel.
10-4, 1238. 173.
Go ahead, Ken.
Still checking the area of Diamond, or are you going to clear up too?
Ken, I'm just checking near the intersection of 924 and Cranberry Road.
10-4.
134, you can clear. It's all on Laurel Street.
39.
173 to County. You can show me clear and available. Area check, unable to locate.
You're available at 1240.